What's going on, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, go ahead and do that now. And also hit the thumbs up. It tells YouTube that we're just good people over here. And we'll make more videos. Today we're going to be talking about the swinger back trailer jack from Harbor Freight. It's 1,000-pound capacity. And we'll go ahead and talk about this right after this.
I'm going to show you how great I am.
5, 4, 3, 2.
All right, you guys, so I bought this from Harbor Freight. I just got this trailer, which is on this side. It's a 4x6 trailer, and I needed a new mount because my mount didn't fit. So we're gonna open this up and see what you get. These are not bad in price. I'll put a link at the bottom here for another one on you, or on at the description for Amazon. Something similar to this. If you guys don't have a Harbor Freight in your area. All right. Couple bolts. We're gonna put this thing on too. So let's take it out of the package.